Today we are going to take a look at some of the world's most amazing and functional tools. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. The 11th tool is the Work XTD Extended Reach Driver. The Work XTD Extended Reach Driver is a cordless reach driver that features an extending shaft. This is the perfect solution to shorten your distance to the target. It's handy, compact, and lightweight, as the extending shaft makes it easier to drive screws into their holes. Its offset shaft also bypasses obstacles. It reaches places other drivers don't dare, and also features 230 RPMs with 36 inches of torque. It includes 8 of the most commonly used screwdriver bits. If you're looking for the perfect driver for small, tight spots, it's definitely the Work XTD Extended Reach Driver. The 10th tool is the Crescent Flip and Grip Wrench Multi-Tool. The Flip and Grip Wrench Multi-Tool is 6 tools in one, including all the functions you'd expect in a multi-tool, with one major difference. A versatile ratcheting wrench replaces pliers as the primary tool. The ratcheting wrench grips and turns over 40 different fasteners, from 3/8 inch to 5/8 inch diameters, including hex, square, and wing nuts. You can't do that with pliers without slipping. When you're finished, simply unlock and fold neatly into the handle. The Crescent Flip and Grip includes a collection of useful tools made of rust-resistant stainless steels. 2 screwdrivers, including a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and a slotted screwdriver, a combination bottle and can opener, a wire stripper, and a lanyard to secure your flip and grip for additional safety and convenience. The Flip and Grip features a stainless steel blade with smooth and serrated edges. The case fits comfortably in your hand and provides a safe, firm grip. The 9th tool is the Painter's Pail. The Purdy Painter's Pail is a hands-free ladder hook bail with multi-grip options. A mini roller nest, and a mini roller ramp. It holds the roller out of the paint and also comes with a brush magnet that you can use when painting and holding your pail. The 8th tool, the Wolfcraft Vinyl and Laminate Cutter, cuts all laminate types, up to 11 millimeters thick. 5 to 11 millimeters high. It cuts self-adhesive vinyl planks and vinyl tiles up to 11 millimeters thick, 12 to 11 millimeters high, and also up to 465 millimeters wide. It's perfect for both precise cuts of 90 degrees with limit stop, angular cuts from 0 degrees to 180 degrees, and also longitudinal cuts. This one's the greatest tool for safe cutting, as it also comes with a blade for fast cutting and coated blades for easy cutting of self-adhesive planks. It has an ergonomically designed blade and handle for maximum force transmission to the material and requires up to 30% less effort than the predecessor model. The 7th tool is the HK Porter PowerLink. The HK Porter PowerLink features a revolutionary double compound action design that delivers immense industrial cutting power. Compared to standard cutters, the PowerLink cutter reduces operator effort by 30%. No other cutter provides you the ability to cut thicker, harder materials with minimum fatigue. And true to HK Porter's quality, it includes classic style comfort grips and precision engineered induction cutting blades. The combination makes this a tool that will last for years to come. It provides more power and less effort. It's available in 18 and 24 inch length. The 6th tool is the Trend 3-in-1 Pocket Hole. This tool can be used for new builds and features 3-in-1 functionality. It can also be used for repair work. And used with different materials of different thicknesses. To use it, employ the integrated scale, which contains a drilling depth gauge, a material thickness scale, and has a width capacity of 28 millimeters to 50 millimeters for versatile drilling. It also has a reversible depth gauge for both new builds and repair work, an integrated depth gauge on top, and fully hardened drill guides. It also includes accurate and consistent pockets that you can use to quickly measure materials and adjust for a precise pocket. It has a magnetic center for easy clamping, allowing you to securely hold jigs in place using accessory face clamps. The jig covers timber thicknesses from 12 millimeters to 38 millimeters. You can use it to adapt to each of its different functions and change from double to single pocket use. The fifth tool, the Steinel Neo 1 cordless hot melt glue gun, is the best tool for quick, safe, and efficient gluing. It has a heat-up time of just 15 seconds with a 30-minute battery runtime in continuous use. Once it's charged, the melt gun can be used for up to 200 cordless gluing projects. Its innovative heating cartridge only heats up the nozzle tip, which makes it safe to use while holding it steady in your hand. It's free from solvents and harmful substances, drying in only 10 seconds. The fourth tool is the Roll and Paint AntiDrip Paint Roller. The Roll and Paint AntiDrip Paint Roller is another fantastic set of tools for easy and safe painting. Its customized design allows it to provide an even coat every time with no drips and splatters. You can paint up to 25 square meters in one refill, and it includes extension poles and a corner brush in the set. All of the tools are easy to clean and very efficient for painting. The third tool is the KWB Bit Holder Triple Fix. The KWB Bit Holder Triple Fix, manufactured by KWB, is made of stainless steel and allows you to drive screws effectively, even at tricky angles. You can angle the screw's head into the direction of the material with its adjustable head, which can also be fixed by an additional snap ring. You can use it as well as a standard bit holder, making it the best of all cordless screwdrivers and drill machines. The second tool is the Gator Lift. Coming in second, we have the Gator Lift, the best panel gripper on the market. It lets you carry plywood, drywall, sheet metal, and more with only one hand. The Gator Lift is simple to use and easy on the back, allowing you to go up and down stairs and through doors without any problem while carrying the panel. Just snap the Gator Lift onto the panel, grip it tightly, and you can lift it with one hand. The clamp can hold up to 2 sheets or panels at once, accommodating loads of up to 200 pounds. It allows you incredible visibility to boot. With Gator Lift, get any panel moving job done without pulling any muscles. The first tool is the Paintbrush Edging Tool by Emery Edger. Is the best brush in the painting world. With it, you can texture drywall, uneven molding, light switches, vents, smoke detectors, and thin baseboards. There's no gap between the paint line and the edge. It succeeds thanks to its 2-shield design. While other edging tools have a single shield that allows paint to creep onto the trim, the paint on the Emery Edger travels up to the reservoir and is blocked from reaching the trim by the second shield. The primary shield is also incredibly thin, which enables you to brush an incredibly tight edge with absolutely no gap whatsoever between the paint line and the trim. We hope you like these fantastic tools. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to the Top 5s HD so you can watch our informative videos regularly.